Bawa kamera depan. Korang dah hafal dialog semua? Boleh kita ambil gambar sekarang?
Boleh tu.
Korang lagi? Alright. Siap semua. Siap semua? Kamera. Running. Go. Running.
51 by 1.
Action. Berapa senang beta punya hati. Betalah yang digelarkan Setan Aminur Rasyid. Kan setan syaitan Sultan. Maaf Tandari.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and greetings to all. First of all, on behalf of the members of Group 1, I would like to express my appreciations and thanks for giving us the opportunity to present the product assignment on the personal financing by Bank Islam Malaysia Berhad. This is our group members consisting of me, Mastika, my matrix number 265863. Hi everyone. Okay, I'm about to start group 1 presentation, which is personal financing from Bank Islam Malaysia Berhad. The title of the presentation is Definition of Personal Financing ISLAMIC. Definition of personal financing means that you can borrow a fixed amount of money from a financial institution for various purposes and return it according to agreed repayment terms within a certain period. Personal financing provides smooth financial flexibility in arranging financial allocation according to daily needs. It is a short-term Islamic personal financing suitable for all Malaysians with attractive profit rate and repayment period of up to 10 years. Types of personal financing. There are two types of personal financing, namely secure personal financing and unsecured personal financing. What is the difference between these two types of personal financing? First, secure personal financing. This is types of loan that require a guarantor of collateral. The indeed to collateral is in the form of real estate. This means that if the borrower fails to pay the loan, the bank can seize the collaterals of transfer responsibility to the guarantor. Second, unsecured personal financing. This is a popular personal loan these days. This is type of loan does not require a guarantor or any collaterals. These types of loan is also faster and easier to be approved by the bank if the applicant meets the minimum requirements set. Let's see what Bank Islam offer for personal financing. There are two personal financing package plan offered by Bank Islam. First, personal financing fixed rate package, and second, personal financing floating rate package. The amount of the financing offered is from 10,000 ringgit to 300,000 ringgit with a maximum financing period up to 10 years. The profit sharing rate charged is very reasonable, which is 4.99% per annum. Personal financing package is offered for those who serve in the public sector, like government employees, employees of government-linked company (GLC), employees of statutory bodies, and also private sector employees from selected company.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Zulikha binti Zahilan and my matrix number is 26643. Okay, now I will explain about the Sharia concepts used for the products. Financing for Tawarruk concepts. A Tawarruk consists of two sale and purchase contracts. The first involves the sale of an asset by a seller to a purchaser on a deferred basis. Subsequently, the purchaser of the first sale will sell the same asset to a third party on a cash and spot basis.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Affizul. My metric number 266032. Now I will present about how personal financing is important to community. First, in order to avoid falling into loan based on riba, which we indeed give injustice to the customers, therefore, Sharia-based personal financing will guarantee fairness and transparency in financing contract transactions. Second, personal financing also will giving the ability the chance to make a big amount of purchases. This is because the amount of personal financing offered by Bank Islam is high and also the application approval process is fast to facilitate purchases by customers. Third, with the large amount of personal financing and the low profit rate offered by Bank Islam, debt consideration through personal financing is the best way to reduce the amount of commitment that has been faced by the customer, and the excess can be channeled into saving for emergency use. Fourth, emergency cash assistance. As I mentioned a minute ago, actually not everyone has a saving to utilize in the case of emergency, such as a car breakdown or the expense of life-saving surgery. Then, personal financing will provide the customer with a solution to this problem. Finally, through the personal financing will exceed the client establish a better credit score, since a long payback period will offer the lower repayment installment to customer, and the customer can pay back the installment smoothly. Therefore, will demonstrating a good payment master to the customer.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to my teacher that I admire, Ustaz Saha, and my fellow comrade. My name is Khairil and my matrix number is 265963. Now, for my part, I gonna present to you guys the features and characteristic of the Bank Islam Personal Financing package. So, stay tuned. Now, Bank Islam Personal Financing package is a personal financing plan from Bank Islam Malaysia Berhad. This personal financing package offer financing quantum of based on eligibility limit and subject to minimum of RM 10,000 and to maximum amount of 300,000. In addition, this package offer installment plan of maximum of 10 years or 120 months and also up to the retirement age, whichever is earlier. For the personal financing package, the financing rate offer with takaful coverage come with floating rate or flat rate. For the financial rate offer with takaful coverage, floating rate are 1 to 3 years, SBR plus 2.67% per annum, then 4 to 10 years, SBR plus 2.77% per annum. While without takaful coverage, floating rate are 1 to 3 years, SBR plus 4.15% per annum, then 4 to 10 years, SBR plus 6.05% per annum. This standardized base rate SBR is 3% per annum and it's effective by 5 May 2023. Both profit is calculated on a daily basis based on monthly rest. Next, for the financing rate offered with Takaful coverage, flat rate are 1 to 3 years, 4.20% per annum, then 4 to 10 years, 4.35% per annum, while without Takaful coverage, flat rate are 1 to 10 years, 5.99% per annum. Both profit is calculated on a monthly basis based on sum of digits. In addition, the Bank Islam Personal Financing I package comes with advance payment, which are equivalent to 2 months of installments. The Personal Financing I package requirement of Takaful coverage is optional, and their Takaful plan are Personal Financing Takaful plan. The benefit of the Bank Islam Personal Financing I package are its competitive rate, no hidden charge, no guarantor is required, no deposit, no processing fee. The selling price is fixed and known. It's a flexibility financing channel, and most importantly, it's fast approval. So that's all. Thank you.
How to apply or subscribe Personal Financing I by Bank Islam. Okay, first, Bank Islam Personal Financing I Fixed Rate Package is a personal financing plan from Bank Islam Malaysia Berhad. This personal loan plan is also known as Bank Islam Personal Financing I Package with fixed rates or Bank Islam Flat Rate Personal Financing I Package. 2. There are 2 personal financing I package plans offered by Bank Islam, namely Personal Financing I Fixed Rate Package and Personal Financing I Floating Rate Package. Bank Islam Personal Financing I Fixed Rate Package is an unsecured Islamic personal loan that is 100% Sharia compliant. This means you do not need to submit any collateral or provide a guarantor to apply for this loan. For category Islamic unsecured, amount of funding is from 10,000 to 300,000 ringgit. Funding period is from 12 to 120 months. Annual rate of profit is 4.99%. Employment sector is for private employees, government employees or GRC employees. Salary qualification is gross salary 2,000 per month or 24,000 per year. For age limits is from 18 to 60 years. Interesting features is bank, long-term, high amount, fast decision or fast approval. Fast decision period is 5 working days. Next, I will present the eligibility requirements to apply. Bank Islam does not impose strict conditions for the application of this personal financing plan. Here are the eligibility conditions that you need to comply with if you want to apply for this loan. Okay, among the conditions are: 1 is the applicant is a Malaysian citizen. 2, age between 18 years to 60 years. 3, work or serve in one of the following categories, which are government employees, employees of government linked companies, which is GLCs, and staff of statutory bodies. Okay, 4, 1 for private employees, selected private limited companies in the Islamic bank package with a monthly income of 2,000 gross salary or an annual income of 24,000 gross salary. Not blacklisted by any bank in Malaysia or AEON Credit. There is no account under Special Attention Account SAA and also not under the auspices of AKPK. Okay, next is about requirement documents. If you meet the eligibility requirements set by Bank Islam and want to apply for Bank Islam Personal Financing I Fixed Rate Package, here are the documents you need to prepare. Okay, 1 is the copy of identity card, is my card. 2, copy of salary slip for the last 3 months. 3 is a copy of bank statement, which is a salary crediting for the last 3 months. 4 is a latest position confirmation letter. Okay, one of the documents below is a copy of latest EPF statement or copy of latest income statement from BEE, BEEA or EC. Okay, also for information how to apply for or subscribe to personal financing by Bank Islam, also not only through the counter at the premises or branches of Bank Islam, which is have 135 branches, but also through can apply with online website which is www.bankislam.com, and lastly can communicate with sales representative. Thank you, and that's all from me.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I and my friends now will explain about the Tawarruk Personal Financing I modus operandi of purchaser. As we know, Bursa so Asila. Alright, first, customer approach Bank Islam for financing and submit application. Second, Bank Islam process and approve the financing application. Subsequently, obtain all legal documents relating to Tawarruk from the customer. This include appointment of bank as purchase and sale agent on behalf customer. Third, Bank Islam purchase commodity from commodity supplier. As we know, Bursa Arsila become a platform for commodity transaction to enable banks to obtain liquidity to meet customers' cash needs efficiently and effectively.
Back with me again, guys. Now, the Tawarruk Personal Financing I modus operandi. Step 4. Under the Murabahah contract, Bank Islam then sell the commodity to the customer at Bank Islam selling price, which are principal plus profit on different payment terms. Bank Islam, as the purchase agent of the customer, purchase the commodity from the Bank Islam itself. Step 5. Bank Islam, as sale agent of the customer, sell the commodity to commodity purchaser, which are Bursa Sul Al Sila. Next, proceed from the sale to the commodity purchaser will be disbursed according to the purpose of financing and will be disbursed to the customer's saving account. And lastly, customer pay Bank Islam's selling price as per the agreed payment terms. Thank you.
Betul. Kalau perkara ini berhasil, saya akan beri 25%